Hello, everyone, and welcome to Govinda Luxe, a diamond jewelry wholesaler and manufacturer based in Surat, India. Are you ready to change the way you view diamond sourcing? Today, we're diving into a city that offers an unparalleled edge in the jewelry industry. Discover how it provides retailers, wholesalers, and brands an unfair advantage. Surat isn't just about diamond cutting, it's a whole ecosystem. Everything from rough to polishing happens within a few streets. This consolidated pipeline lowers costs and boosts speed and margins. American retailers source from here, not for cheapness but for unmatched efficiency. It's a level of operation the rest of the world can't match. Surat's cutters handle more diamonds in a month than others do in a year. This volume builds skill, precision, and instinct. A polisher grading rough at a glance, a setter adjusting micro prongs without a microscope. Jewelry looks premium but costs less to produce. American brands depend on Surat for high-end affordable collections. Surat's export hubs move jewelry faster than traditional centers. Orders go through streamlined customs to major carriers reaching the US in days. No warehouse delays, no middle stops, no unnecessary handling. Brands in New York and Toronto prefer Surat for speed. Speed wins, and Surat is built for it. Surat's scale is its biggest advantage, producing millions of pieces. Factories scaling up means better assortments and consistent quality. Stable pricing and faster delivery cycles are the norm. Small retailers miss this hidden power. When suppliers operate at scale, business stability and predictable growth follow. At Govinda Luxe, we manufacture in Surat's ecosystem. Natural diamonds, CVD diamonds, moissanite all benefit from Surat's skill, speed, and scale. Working with us means accessing the entire Surat system. Retailers across America choose us for private label and custom orders. Contact us for more information. Sourcing smart is more than finding a supplier. It's about understanding the pipeline. The more you know, the more you save and earn. That's why I created Mind to Market, a diamond jewelry learning platform. It's for beginners and professionals aiming to scale their business. Check the link in the description. If today's insights into Surat changed your perspective, hit like and subscribe. More practical business videos are coming to help you source smarter and sell better. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.